Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your account type on Indeed. Switching your account type allows you to access features specific to job seekers or employers, depending on your needs. So, let's get started on how to change your account type on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Settings from the menu. Select Account Settings from the options. In the drop-down menu, find and tap on the Change Account Type option. Now, select the account type you wish to use. Finally, tap on the Save button. And that's how you can change your account type on Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.